I f- ask-
Mine has honestly changed from when I first got married.
Is that right?
Yeah,
In what way?
when I was first married, mine would have been gifts, hands down.
Yeah?
He'd bring me something. So my husband would bring home bubble gum because he knew I liked bubble gum.
Yeah.
And so he'd always bring me home bubble gum. But since we now have 5 children and like so much is going, mine is like service quality time. You do something for me. You help out, you get something done. So it's totally changed from what it
Yeah.
was before.
Is that your?
Yeah, that's exactly how mine is. And then it's like same with how I show people, like that's completely changed because it used to be, I was raised by my parents showing that they loved their children by buying us things. And then if they weren't buying us things and they didn't love us, that was how they expressed
That was
it.
their way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so, and that's how I would try to express love. I remember my first Christmas married, I cried because I couldn't get my husband everything that I wanted to get him and all that he deserved. He said, well, that's not, that's
'Cause-
not how you showed me you love me. And
Yeah.
I remember that was really hard, but now it's, by the way I show my love is also by service, more so than gift giving.
Yeah. Invariably, that happens people in this class. Two things that I've noticed as I've done this through the years. This one always wins in here. Always. I mean, this is pretty close to how it, usually service is a higher, physical touch is usually just 1 or 2 people at a time. I've never seen anyone, we've never had 0 here before. And there's no judgments about this at all.
Non-materialistic.
I was 1.
You were, that was your second?
Yeah.
Was receiving gifts? You like stuff?
Useless things.
That,
As seen on TV.
yeah.
I acquired junk.
So, but it's, now the question is, so there's a difference between getting junk and having somebody give you junk, right? That's, the difference is, I mean, both are great. I mean, if you like getting junk, then both are great. But the idea here is not that you like stuff, but you feel fulfilled when you get the gum. That's a feeling of, oh, there's another emotional bank account to give me something.
Pick up something that meant something
They were
to me.
thinking of me, so.
Right. That's the difference. Just so that we're clear. I mean, I don't want to take away your junk, but
I like when I get junk, 'cause then I don't have to pay for the junk.
yeah.
Makes me feel fulfilled.
Oh, the 2 other ways that are commonly ways to tell if this is your preferred love language, I know this happens in my house, is what do you complain about the most? In other words, what do you say, we never do anymore, or this never happens anymore? That might be a telltale sign, whatever that is, of those 5 might be your preferred love language. Because if you don't give gifts, if you don't receive gifts anymore, but you never did care about it, it's not going to be a complaint. Does that make sense? Right? And then the last one, what do you request the most often? When it is, if somebody were to say, what can I do for you? Which of those 5 do you usually go to? Is it a massage, or is it just being together, or stuff, or do the dishes please kind of thing? So that's kind of another way to tell. And I don't know how closely those correlate with this self-assessment.